Chile was shaken near Arica, Provincia de Arica, Region de Arica y Parinacota, by an earthquake of magnitude 5.1 only 9 minutes ago, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported. The quake hit at an intermediate to considerable depth of 158 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Arica, Provincia de Arica, Region de Arica y Parinacota, Chile, in the evening on Wednesday, January 4, 2023, at 8:23 p.m. local time. The strength of the earthquake may have been tempered by its relative great depth below the surface, which makes it feel weaker in absolute terms. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 5.0 earthquake. A third agency, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported the same quake at magnitude 5.1.